Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to SOS channel. I'm Sri Rahmaniar U from English Study Program in Islamic Institute Agama Islam of Muhammadiyah Sinjai. In this video, I would like to explain about compositional semantics. Let's start it. What is compositional semantics? Compositional semantics is to account for speakers' knowledge of truth, entailment, and ambiguity. We must assume that grammar contains semantic rules for how to combine the meanings of words into meaningful phrases and sentences. Okay, the principle of compositionality asserts that the meaning of an expression is composed of the meaning of its parts and how the parts are combined structurally. The next, there are two semantic rules. Okay, first semantic rule. If the meaning of NP, an individual I, a member of the meaning of the VP, a set of individuals, then S is true, otherwise it is false. For example, word Jack meaning refers to the individual Jack, and word swim meaning refers to the set of individuals that swim. If the NP Jack is among the set of individuals that swims, the VP, then the sentence is true. Jack kissed Laura. Word Jack meanings refers to or means the individual Jack. Word Laura meanings refers to or means the individual Laura. Word kissed meanings refer to or means the set of pair of individuals X and Y such that X kissed Y. Okay, the second semantic rule. Maybe you can pay attention to the picture. The meaning of the picture is the set individual X, such as the X is the first member of any pair in the meaning of P, whose second member is the meaning of NP. If the NP Jack is among the set of people who kissed Laura, the VP, then the sentence is true. Okay, the meaning of the sentence Jack kissed Laura is first derived by applying the second semantic rule, which establishes the meaning of the VP, establishes the set of people who kissed Laura. Then the first semantic rule applies to determine the meaning of the entire sentence, establish whether or not Jack in particular is in the set of people who kissed Laura. Okay guys, thanks for attention and thanks for watching the video. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.